bright rays pouring in to my window. Every day the same sunny situation. Rocking in my sheets with the top down on the highway. Yeah, that's LA. Never slowing down, never growing up. Chilling in the sand, waiting for that wave to come rolling over me. Floating out at sea, keeping everything classic, so photographic. Never slowing down, never growing up. Chilling in the sand, waiting for that wave to come rolling over me. Floating out at sea, keeping everything classic, so photographic. And we all love that bright blue sky, and never have to wonder why those big dark clouds won't go away, 'cause they hardly ever show up. Anyways, bright rays pouring in to my window. Every day the same sunny situation. Rocking in my shades with the top down on the highway. Yeah, that's LA. Never slowing down, never growing up. Chilling in the sand, waiting for that wave to come rolling over me. Floating out at sea, keeping everything classic, so photographic. Bright rays pouring in to my window. Every day the same sunny situation. Rocking in my sheets with the top down on the highway. Yeah, that's LA. Bright rays pouring in to my window. Every day the same sunny situation. Rocking in my sheets with the top down on the highway. Yeah, that's LA. Never slowing down, never growing up. Chilling in the sand, waiting for that wave to come rolling over me. Floating out at sea, keeping everything classic, so photographic. Never slowing down, never growing up. Chilling in the sand, waiting for that wave to come rolling over me. Floating out at sea, keeping everything classic, so photographic. And we all love that bright blue sky, rocking in my shades with the top down on the highway. Yeah, that's LA. Bright rays pouring in to my window. Every day the same sunny situation. Rocking in my shades with the top down on the highway. Yeah, that's LA. Never slowing down, never growing up. Chilling in the sand, waiting for that wave to come rolling over me, floating out at sea.
Alright, you guys, this is the final look of my master bedroom cleaning routine. And as you guys know, I love my candles. So when I get through cleaning up, any area of my home, I love to have those scented candles just going. And if you don't know me, I do have an obsession with Bath and Body Works and Victoria's Secrets. So yes, that's what you'll see on this little shelf here. But of course, I am super happy that my room is clean now. And you guys, I can't wait to get into my bed and just enjoy my beautiful clean bedroom. I'm so excited. I want to send this big shout out to my mom. She actually purchased this bed for me as a housewarming gift. Thank you, Mom, if you're watching. But I hope you guys like this video about my master bedroom cleaning routine. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, you guys.